Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyo lahat dyan. Good day sa buong mundo. From Casey Nova Channel. Nandito naman tayo sa Chef Casey. Magagawa tayo ng ngayon. I'm going to make two items. It's pork and chicken. Pork and chicken. I have to iano ko itong imamarin ko yung mga 15 minutes ng powder, any kind of powder ingredient that I can find. Lalagyan ko ito ng ground black pepper, powder garlic, and I have I got this Montreal. Papakita ko sa inyo. Montreal seasoning. It's really good. It's good for a steak, but I'm trying to put that one in my marinade. And I have turmeric and turmeric. Okay guys, let's go. Samahan niyo ko iano ko mamaya. Okay guys, these two items, I have here a chicken, pork belly, I cut in cube, and even the chicken tamit I cut in cube. Okay, lalagyan natin ng I got some of this over here. Mahirap yung putot Sisa kaya, I'm just joking guys. Cannot reach the top one. Okay guys, ito natin, ito item natin, puro ito guys i-deep fry, coated with flour and cornstarch. Why I want to do it like this? Because if I'm going to saute and I put a liquid or chicken base or pork base, anything, and it will thicken by itself, lumalapot na lang sa sarili niya dahil may it's coated by cornstarch and flour. The measurement of flour is 1/4 of cornstarch. Flour is 1 cup of flour. That's my measurement. I guess I have to put this one together. There you go. I have to take out my ingredient. One of these guys, the pork is spicy, and this one is mild. Okay, I'm gonna put first turmeric. Oops, sorry. Remember guys, this is different item, but the same flavor, but different way the way I cook and ingredient. Okay, You have garlic powder, and then I have this one, chicken powder. Kung sa atin pa tinatawag, parang pinaka-ajinomoto natin yung bitchin. Sa Southeast Asia, paborito ito. Ang talaga may ajinomoto, MSG. Okay guys, ngayon we put something on it. On the chicken, I'm gonna put a touch of hoisin on the oyster sauce. And pork is only oyster sauce, no hoisin, okay? Okay, that's it. And then I sprinkle this on with my flour and starch. I have a mixture right over here. Okay. Ayan guys. Ihalo lang natin, gonna mix together nicely. Okay. That is mixed. A little more. Even this one. A little more. Remember guys, I'm going to deep fry this one. Deep fry. Not a pan fried. Some of my item I call it pan fried, but this one I deep fry. Pipirituhin natin ng maigi. Okay? Okay guys, samahan niyo ko initin ko pa yung oil. Okay guys, samahan niyo ko sa pag fry ko ng pork belly. Okay guys, ito na ha. Kaya nyo, ano tayo? Itong pork belly natin. Dandanan tayo, baka manok tayo ha. Mainit. Guys, when you deep fry, you can watch out the oil. Maganda ito guys, yung sa pangbahay lang. Pambahay lang na panluto. Pero kung may restaurant kayo, maganda rin ito. Para sa mga appetizer, mga pulutan. Masarap ito guys. Yung Budweiser, Heineken. Kung sa atin, Pilipinas, Red Horse. Masarap. Okay guys, diba? Ganito lang pag natin. Itong first item natin nalutuin na salted pork belly with red bell pepper and celery. Okay. We can we can do it like a sauteed pork belly, marinated pork belly. Binarinate ito ng about 15 minutes. Hindi ngayon, niluto ko na. Ganito lang yan, ha? The chicken, guys, is either the chicken or the excuse me guys, medyo naano lang, my throat is kind of dry. Ganito lang guys, basta if the pork is floating already, lumilitaw na, it means to say it's done, it's cooked. Kailangan lulutin natin, kaya igigisa lang natin yung mamaya. Ganito lang. Okay, samahan nyo kung mamaya pag naluto na, pagluto natin, pag saute, yung paggisa natin. Ganito lang guys. Pintuin ko yung kung lumulutang na yun, lumulutang na yung pork, it means to say naluto na. It's floating already, it's done already. Okay? Samahan nyo kung mamaya pag kung maluto na, pag gisa. To saute my item. Okay guys, samahan niyo ako, magluluto na tayo. Okay, this is my condiments, everything in my ingredients. Okay, luluto tayo ng pork. Ito ng naluto na pork natin. I'm trying to make a spicy this one, guys. Spicy pork. Okay. I'm trying to whether this is chicken or a little. Garlic. Guys, garlic. Tingnan natin limutan oil. Okay. Ganyan na guys. Garlic. Tapos ang onion natin. Ayan lang guys, para makita natin ang lahat talaga. Para natin magluto. Kasi lang guys medyo natabingi. Ay. Ganyan na. Kala natin sa bago mo. Ito guys, of pork. bell pepper. Okay guys? At saka red cabbage. Yan guys. Yan lang ha. Okay. Guys, sweet soy. Sweet soy and hoisin. Guys, and the oyster sauce. There you guys. Yan lang. Yan lang. Liquid guys, I have a chicken stock. To thicken this one guys, pagpalapot, lumalapot sarili niya dahil yung ano natin kanina, pinakita ko sa inyo na I coated with cornstarch and flour. Okay, natin na maluto. Ganito lang guys, simple lang ha. Masarap guys, masarap yan, masarap. Kung yung mga pagluto lang yung pambahay lang natin, yung pagluto ng pambahay lang, ganito ang luto natin. Don't forget to taste. Guys, I'm planning something. I'm gonna put guys crushed red chili pepper. To have yung konting sipa ng hanghang niya. And then, one more. Cayenne pepper. Guys, cayenne pepper, okay? Natin natin yung ano, yung taste niya kung tama ba. Tama lang guys. our food are finished. Okay? Samahan niyo ako pag-plate up. Maraming salamat. Yung mga ano ko dyan, yung mga bagong ano ko yan. Yung mga subscriber ko, maraming salamat na. Samahan niyo ako pag-plate up. Sandali. Okay guys, samahan niyo ako sa pag-plate up natin. Okay, maraming salamat yung mga ano ko dyan, yung mga subscriber ko. Yung mga baguhan lang. Please, pakiano lang pa like and share and subscribe. Tungan natin. Yung ano niya, rice, you can just put rice on the side. Ano guys? Ganito lang guys, simple lang, simple lang. Kailangan medyo colorful. Ginati yung mga ano niya. Yung mixed veggie na. Okay guys. Yun lang. Sauteed fried pork belly. Sauteed fried pork belly with a mixed veggie. Simple lang guys. Talagyan natin ng condiments. Itong condiments ko, itong ano, garnish. Ano ito, yung fried skin of eggplant. Red eggplant. Ngayon lang guys. Parang medyo ano lang, medyo may ano siya. And then the next one is this one. Okay guys. Yun lang guys ha. So beautiful. Kita nyo? Ano natin, papatay natin itong ano niya. Yun know, guys. Itong ano natin. Plate up natin. Maraming salamat yung mga subscriber ko dyan. Mga baguhan lang, paki-ano lang, yung paki-like lang at share. Nakita nyo na pag-umpisa ko paano ko ginawa. I deep fry this one. And then I saute. Saute with the mixed vegetables, garlic, onion. And basta nakita nyo na paano mga ingredients ang linagay ko. My hoisin sauce, sweet soy, and other one. Okay. That's all guys. Maraming salamat yung nagsusubaybay sa mga pagluluto ko sa channel ko from Casey Nova Channel. This is Chef Casey. Hanggang sa susunod sa mga pagluluto ko. Tingnan nyo lang ang ano, simple ang ano natin. Okay? Sauteed deep fried pork belly with mixed veggie. Ginisang taba ng baboy nang kasama yung mga sari-saring vegetables. Okay guys, maraming salamat. Nagpapasalamat ako.